Hello, it's How To Not To, and in this video I'll be showing you how to fix error code E03. So this usually appears as a warning to let you know that your machine isn't draining properly. So the door won't open, and yeah, that's because there's water still inside the drum, and that is usually an indicator that there's problem. You've probably got a blockage, and to fix that all you have to do is you can easily fix the problem by removing the blockages from the drain pump, which is usually situated at the front of the machine. So this is the Hoover H-Wash 500 model, and with this model the pump is at the front of the machine, right down the bottom, as you can see there. So open that. So before you do that, before you open the latch, the filter at the front, down the bottom, you might want to drain as much water as possible first. At the moment, if you turn the dial, nothing moves, so you're going to have to switch it on and off again. Turn it off first. Yeah, so you want to turn it off, turn your wash machine off first, and then switch it on again. And that should allow you to right, the water's draining automatically. So drain off as much water as possible before you open the latch, and turn the dial anti-clockwise to open. You probably need a towel at the bottom to catch any water. So I'm just going to turn this dial to anti-clockwise. It's proven difficult to turn. Let me try again. Yeah, I'm going to use pliers. Let's see if that works. Just gently do it. Water's starting to drip out. To come out. So again, let's try and open it up. There, all the water's coming out, draining out. So turn it anti-clockwise to open. So that is the culprit. That's what's been blocking the drain at the front of the washing machine. What is it? Looks like a piece of tissue and other pit wrappers as well. So there you go. Just going to put that in the bin and check to see if there's any other objects further down in the pump. One moment. Let's take a closer look. Just going to get my mobile phone light torch because I can't see. soapy stud in there, so I'm just going to clean it with a rag. Can't feel anything else in there, so hopefully that should have fixed the error code, the problem. So okay, I'm just going to pop the filter back on. Still a bit more. So I'm just going to clean the filter. This is it. If this doesn't work, the other reason why the washing machine doesn't drain properly is also to do with your drainage, your sink. If the washing machine is connected to the sink pipes, that is. So if that doesn't work, you've cleaned the filter at the front, pump at the front, and it's still coming up with the message code E03, then you want to clean your sink drainage. And hopefully that should flush out any foods, any debris in the sink drainage. That's if the washing machine is connected to your sink plumbing pipes, etc. So all that's left to do is put the filter back in, and you want to turn it clockwise. Make sure it's tight.
Like so.
So it does allow you to open the door, and the clothes are absolutely soaking wet. So yes, we do need to select drain and spin. Yeah, drain and spin. So that will rinse the clothes, and yeah, make sure the door is closed. And now we can press play to start that drain and spin cycle, which will only take 10 minutes to do. Okay, that's the end of the cycle. I'm just going to switch it off. Oh, okay, that's better, a lot better. And that's it. Hope this video has been useful. If it has, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful videos like this. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.